You thinking what I'm thinking? You think about putting the booger hook in there and banging some gears. You're thinking what I'm thinking. Front wheel fell off the R7 going down the main highway. Alicia would not be impressed. Hey guys, Chevy here. So we've just been working on house projects and trying to get stuff done, and we got some dudes here doing concrete today. It's this big room out here, the boys' bedroom. It was a garage, so it was lower than you can see. So anyways, dudes are bringing it up to where that blue tape line is, make it level with the rest of the house. It used to be a garage, so the whole thing kind of slopes as it goes over. And they had carpet in it. It was the only room in the whole house with carpet in it. Well, the reason was because the floor is a ramp. So, got these dudes in here, gonna put some concrete in, and then we can like do flooring in the house. We're gonna tile everything that's not already tile. And then we can start actually putting the house together, getting kids in their rooms and everything else, and that'll be great. Oh, check that out. Got a little tractor. Got a 60-inch motor deck here. Hell yeah. Won't be long now, that room will be all flat. Be good to go. A couple days we'll be able to start doing stuff in there, get the flooring down. Concrete, baby.
It's made of rocks.
Yep.
It's made of rocks.
It has rocks in it. It has lots of things in it. Forgot to get a video when they were finishing up, but there's a finished product. Ouch. Got a room that's flat now. It's fantastic. There isn't like 4 inches of difference from that side to that side of the closet. Guys did a good job. Turned out great. Make the house really nice. Now we can just tile the floor, just the tile difference, instead of it being, 4 inches or whatever it was. What you doing? Willie wants out? Yeah. Okay. Oh man. Hey guys, Chevy here again. Just want to give you a little update. Got a tractor. Can't remember if I made a video or not. Got a little subcompact Kubota BX 2200. It's kind of rough, but we got a smoking deal on it. Every hydraulic cylinder on it was just pissing hydraulic oil out though. So I got both of them tore off. Or I got that one tore off over there. And I got it all tore apart inside the shop. So I got to pull the other two off, but I'm going to do them one at a time. Got this cylinder tore apart, and I went and got a rebuild kit from the Kubota dealer in Beaumont this morning. Got 2 boom lift rebuild kits and a bucket tilt rebuild kit. So just going to change these. If you look in here, the seals are just completely gone. The bump ring in there is just chunks. There is no, and the seal up here is just gone. There's no seal. And this doesn't stick out past the piston anymore. Well, it does a little bit, but not enough. Bump rings non-existent basically on all of it. It's junk. So rebuild kits for only 50 bucks a side and 70 for the bucket. So I just went and grabbed them, and I just happened to know a guy. Got some hydraulic cylinder experience. So I'm gonna do it, and then it's gonna work great. Just figured I'd give you guys a little update. I haven't been videoing. I've just been busting tail nonstop, tearing stuff up, digging stuff up, getting stuck, pulling stuff out. Had to go pull the tractor out with the Toyota the other day. I had to yank on it super hard. Toyota didn't like it, but it's fine. Everything's good. Just know I can't mow back there right now. It's wetlands, I guess. It's a swamp. It's pretty awesome. Be good for four-wheeling, but not good for mowing. Anyways, I'll see you guys later. Okay, well, cylinder's down there because it fell, but got all new seals in both glands on this. I got to tighten this nut down. Whoop, missed it. Hard to see in the camera. Got to tighten this nut down and hose that cylinder out, brake clean real quick, wipe it down, slam this all back together and thread it on, and all done with the cylinders. I did the boom lifts already. This is the bucket cylinder. It's almost over with. Tractor will be ready to go in no time. It's a success. Nothing's pouring fluid. Perfect. Cool. I go knock some more stuff out of the ground with this thing now. Got rock coming in. Gonna fix most of this mud around the driveway so the kids don't make a soup anymore. Hopefully we can get him in here, get it done. Pretty long. Should be exciting. Right on. And jackknife the trailer around, get it out, and then back the truck in and dump it. We got it. Got the stuff in here. It's crushed concrete. So once I set it, get it in place over there, all that mud there I'm gonna dig out and clean next to the carport so I can have a place to park my trailer and get rid of that mud hole. But basically once I get that in there and it rains on it, sits there for a couple days, it's gonna re-harden. It'll be nice. No more mud over there, hopefully. We'll see. Hey guys, well, it's later, it's like 7 o'clock. I didn't get that much done. I got some dug out and some laid in there right next to the driveway, and it looks pretty good. See if you can see it. Oh yeah, there you go. About 3 foot of it done. Pretty soft, so I was hoping to pack this in here so I can build my way over there, and I'll start skimming it all the way to the shed. I'm gonna go basically from this pole all the way back and next to the shop. Gonna go all the way to the shed. That way I can back the trailer in there next to the shop and store it there. Anyways, I'll be back at it tomorrow. See you in the morning. See how this goes. Well, not as good as I'd hoped, but better than it could have. Leg just fell off instead of it rolling over. What a piece of crap. Had to get the tractor to help. Almost got Toyota stuck. But I got it flipped over and cut this junk apart, get it the hell out of here. Cool. Not too bad. Could have been much worse. Another project started and left a mess by yours truly. Gotta turn the wheels, you're turned in there. Back up. Turn. There you go, now go forward. Good job. Almost. There you go. What you doing? Doing a burnout?
Wait, Daddy, I can make something. Dad, this is amazing.
Now you can really see the slope. See how the trim line gets closer to the floor as we go.
Daddy, let's try like this.
Oh, you want to show me the truck?
Yeah.
What is that, Mohawk Warrior?
Yeah.
It's pretty cool. What you got? The Bro Comino. What do you got? What is that?
Jurassic World T-Rex. That's what.
Oh,
That's
T-Rex wrecker?
Dad, make a yak.
Made a yak. Well guys, we gotta go to Lowe's and Home Depot, get a bunch of stuff because concrete's almost ready to be built on. So we gotta get all this stuff to start framing in a couple walls so we can get those rooms separated and we can start laying tile and the kids can move into their rooms. Should only be another week or two from here. It's exciting. But we gotta have the bus because we're hauling a bunch of crap and I don't feel like hooking up the trailer. It's back in the swampy part of the yard and it rained all day. Not gonna be easy to get out. So, came over, bus fired up first try. Hell yeah, what a steed. It's actually pretty cold out here right now. Fired right up though. That was a great investment. I'm still really pleased with that. If you guys ever feel like buying a bus, you should.